Favourite in 3. Offhand racing, Nemiroff got out quickly. Quirky Girl jumped away fast. Watto's Fury and Ice One going up towards the lead. Patience Phillips also jumped away smartly just off the pace there. From Heron Sand going through on the inside, Little Flirt easing a further 1.5 to Party Bus, then Smart Traveller. Sharaska goes back to the tail of the field as they head towards the 800, and the flying Nemiroff out in front leads by 2.5 on its stablemate. Ice One running second. A further length back third on the outside as Quirky Girl, then Watto's Fury. Over on the inside, Heron Sand from Little Flirt. They were followed by Patience Phillips. Now easing up 3 wide and a further 1.5 then to Party Bus, who's over on the outside of Smart Traveller, and a half back on the outside to Sharaska last of all as they wheel around the corner. Inside the final 350 here, and Nemiroff is out by 2.5 on Quirky Girl. Ice One the inside, then came Heron Sand, Watto's Fury and Patience Phillips. Starting to come hard on the outside, 200 to go, and Nemiroff still got a good gap. He's over 3 lengths in front. Down the outside is Patience Phillips, and Nemiroff 2 in a line. Does it brilliantly, and he dashes home by 3. Nemiroff, Patience Phillips second. Little Flirts run third. Fourth on the inside, Heron Sand. Then came Party Bus, who was out wide from Quirky Girl. Ice One well back, Smart Traveller, Watto's Fury and Sharaska pulling up quickly. Brilliant win to Nemiroff. Jade McNaught, he's quite a good galloper, this horse. Plenty of speed, burnt to the front. Raced away in the home straight. He had a commanding lead around the corner, and he's increased that in the run of the line. Good performance under 60.5 there for Nemiroff. 2 wins in a row for him. 1:11.03 is the time. 1:11.03 all the way there for the favourite Nemiroff. Jade McNaught, trained by Peter Fernie. Second goes to number 9, Patience Phillips, who has run a good race there, but no match for the winner. Trained by George Grilicic and ridden by Fiona Bell. Third goes to number 4, Little Flirt, trained by Brett Matthews, Ben Patterson. And fourth in number 5, Party Bus, ridden by Chris Parnham. 1, 9, 4 and 5 are the numbers. 1, 9, 4 and 5. But a dashing win there to Nemiroff. It's his third win from 13 starts for this horse. He's owned by Chris Wells, Mrs. K.A. Fernie, the estate of the late Brodie Stewart, Neil Gill, Frosty Martin and Andrew Inglis, all the owners there of Nemiroff. He's by Universal Ruler out of Elusive Choice, trained by Peter Fernie, the leading trainer in Kalgoorlie, and Jade McNaught, a promising apprentice, but she doesn't claim up in Kalgoorlie. Now the margins are 3 1/4, 3 1/4 the winning margin, 3/4 between second and third. 34.88 the last 634.88. Overall time 1:11.03 there for Nemiroff, and he's got more wins in store. Really look good going to the line. Second is number 9, Patience Phillips, trained by George Grilicic, Fiona Bell in the saddle. Third is number 4, Little Flirt, Brett Matthews, Ben Patterson, and a fourth in Party Bus, Chris Parnham. So the winner about to come back in here, number 1, Nemiroff, or Jade McNaught, after the John Matthews and Sons handicap over the 1200.